Villanueva. 3v1 situation, Villanueva, no good. Nariboni Eslabra. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. Sunjaga for the inbound pass to Lazaro. Lazaro to Sunjaga for 3 points by Sunjaga. Sunjaga megang bola. Sunjaga derecho. Easy 2 points by Sunjaga. Roberto Villanueva. Still by Sunjaga. Sunjaga megang bola. Sunjaga. Easy 2 points by Sunjaga. Bola pas to Lazaro to Pito. Easy 2 points by Pito. Sunjaga megang bola. Sunjaga. Easy 2 points by Sunjaga. Villanueva to Eslabra for 2 points by.
Uy, ganda.
Easy 2 points by Villanueva. Sunjaga megang bola pas to Lazaro to Veriales. Easy 2 points by Veriales. Alcover bola di derecho si Alcover. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. Pito megang bola. Pito to Veriales back to Pito for 2 points. Nakuha ni Villanueva, ball di derecho si Villanueva. Easy 2 points by Eslabra pass to basket count para kay Villanueva. Ano Eslabra megang bola. Eslabra pumili. Easy 2 points by Pito. Easy 2 points by Pito. Fernandez tumira. No good. Pero dari bola Eslabra. Dinukon. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. 2 points by Pito. Pito megang bola pas to Sunjaga for 3 points by Sunjaga. Corner 26 by the ball favor of Gareth. Veriales. Easy 2 points by Pito. No good. Nakuha ni Lazaro. Easy 2 points by Lazaro. Ang bola. Barrios. Pas to Villanueva. Dudukot. Easy 2 points by Villanueva. Sunjaga. Still by Villanueva megang bola. Ball di derecho. Pinasa kay Barrios. Easy 2 points by Barrios. Easy 2 points by Sunjaga. Eko megang bola. Denied by Pito. Lazaro. Pass to still by Fernandez. Pass to Villanueva. Libre. Easy 2 points by Villanueva. Veriales. Tulog jumper. Easy 2 points by Veriales. Nakuha ni Lazaro megang bola. Lazaro derecho. Easy 2 points by Lazaro. Alcover. Easy 2 points. Villanueva. Pass to Fernandez. Easy 2 points by Fernandez. Santos. Eslabra megang bola. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. Alcover. 3v1 situation. Alcover nakuha ni Ruiz. 2 points. Lazaro to Pito. Tumukot. Easy 2 points by Pito. Oras natin 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Ruiz. Ball down to Veriales to Lazaro to Pito. Easy 2 points by Pito. Villanueva to Villanueva. No good. Naribon Eslabra. Pumili. Basket count para kay Eslabra. Eslabra to Villanueva. Easy 2 points. Pito. Derecho. Easy 2 points by Pito. Villanueva. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Easy 2 points. Pito megang bola. Pito ping. Easy 2 points by Pito. Buang atake si Pito. Easy 2 points. Wala na rebound na Eslabra. Easy. Barrios megang bola. Barrios to Villanueva. Easy 2 points by Villanueva. Barrios, pass to Eslabra. Eslabra for 3 points by Eslabra. Eslabra to Puyol. Easy. Offensive foul. Pito, pull-up jumper. Pito, easy to Barrios to Echo, no good. Nakuha ni Eslabra, pumilit. Kaso wala meron nakuha pa rin ni Eslabra pa rin. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. Lazaro may ako bola. Lazaro, pull-up jumper, 2 points by Lazaro. Barrios may ako bola. Barrios, pass to Villanueva. Easy to Eslabra. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. Lazaro, no good. Rebound by Mariales, pull-up jumper. Easy 2 points by Mariales, easy 2 points. Fernandez, no good. Nakuha ni Mariales, pass to Lazaro kaya ang bola. Lazaro pumilit. Wala, pero na-rebound pa rin ni Mariales. Lamon para Ernesto Villanueva, no good. Na-rebound ni Pito may ang bola. Pito, basket count by Pito. Villanueva, throw shot, no good. Rebound ni Eslabra, pumilit. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. To Sunyega, to Lazaro, pull-up jumper, 2 points by Villanueva to Alsber, easy 2 points by Alsber. Alsber, throw the shot, no good. Na-rebound ni Eslabra, easy to shoot. Lazaro, 1 minute, Lazaro denied by Fernandez. Pito to Barrios to Villanueva, easy 2 points by Villanueva. Yun laan.
Pilok.
Score natin 72-74.
Sa pilok. Tuloy pa rin pag ganyan. Tuloy pa rin. Tuloy ko lang.
Pinagpag lang ni Eslabra. Layang ng bola. Barrios to Fernandez to Eslabra. Habang nasasaktan, lalong lumalakas si Eslabra. Sunyega to Lazaro, no good. Nakuha ni Barrios to Villanueva libre. Pero nakuha pa rin ni Barrios to Villanueva, wala, pero nakuha ni bola. Pito nagbababa ng bola. Pito, easy 2 points by Pito. Barrios, nakuha ni Sunyega, 2 points. Villanueva to Fernandez. Can shoot Lazaro to Santos. Points by Santos. Nakuha pa rin ni Lazaro. Nakuha ni Santos. Dinudobol din si Santos. Pass to Villanueva. Santos na sana. Easy 2 points by Sunyega to Lazaro. Easy 2 points by Lazaro. Sablay pa rin ang pangalawa na ako pa rin ni Fernandez, 2 points. The second shoot, Eslabra pa rin ang bola. Easy 2 points by Eslabra. Altuver, no good. Nakuha ni Eslabra pumilit, denied by Sunyega. Nakuha ni Sevilla, still by Altuver to Fernandez to Villanueva. Pito to Mariales, Lazaro Padet, Lazaro Padet, Lazaro, easy 2 points by Lazaro. Es Labra, derecho, easy 2 points by Labra. Supply pa rin tayo na ako, Martinez, Labra. Alberto Fernandez, buong isa pa si Fernandez. Nagugulat ka, boy. Nakuha ni Lazaro. Easy 2 points. Fernandez, still by Lazaro. Easy 2 points. Villanueva. Bola masuk Lazaro to Pito, easy 2 points by Pito. Veriales to Lazaro, easy 2 points by Lazaro.